everyone, welcome back to my channel Creativity World. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create keychain holder with using paper quilling strips. So in this I'm also going to use newspaper. So this is mix and match quilling. So let's get started. For this we are going to need scissor, any kind of wire. I'm using here golden one, but if you don't have, you can simply use metal wire. Keychain holder ring, some stones, these are petals to decorate, newspaper pipe. Simply you have to just create any kind of refill. Just take a strip of newspaper and then use it. Just create a pipe shape and this done. And also you are going to need paper quilling strips of your colors, like these paper quilling strips, red and yellow color I'm going to use in this. So also we are going to need this quilling tool. So first I'm taking this yellow color strip which measures 25 cm by one strip length is 25 cm, and I'm going to, here I'm using 3 mm strip. You can also use 5 mm strip instead of this if you don't have 3 mm. Now just secure the end and tight collar is ready. It's too simple. In the same way I have created some more. Now I am going to show you how to create these two rings. For this I am taking, you can take any kind of round shape, or you can also take a bangle, any kind of round object. And now I am going to just giving a rotate of a quilling strip. Like this. So just you have to join some strips. So in the same way you have to create a little hard by joining some, at least I have joined total 6 to 7 strips and just created a sturdy ring. In the same way I have created this one also. For the smaller ring, if you don't have any small object, you can just simply, by using your nail, you can just simply curve this and then rotate this and then create a ring. Okay, so it's also a method you can use. It's done. Now for making the kundan chumka or piece, so this newspaper pipe, and you are just going to roll the pipe piece, rectangular piece, and just you will get this newspaper pipe. And now what will happen? I'm taking here this scissor and I'm going to just bend it. Like this. Now I'm taking this scissor because it's too difficult to round it. Here I'm using to roll this with the help of this scissor, like this. Now just take out the scissor and then roll it with your hands like we done for quilling, but in this you cannot use quilling tool because its tip is too small. So tool, or if you don't have this, you can simply use your fingers, or you can also use the back side of the pen. So it's done. Simply now I'm going to color this. And after coloring, it's looking like this. I have also added one lace of some stones at the boundary. Now I'm going to take this golden color metal wire and I'm going to insert this wire through this kundan. So it's like this. And for securing this, I'm going to create a knob like this. Just you have to create like this, and it's hold perfectly. Now simply here I am taking one plastic color bag on this so that my table not messy, and I'm just adding little glue to the small ring, and I'm going to adhere the yellow color tight coils which we had created earlier, like this. You can also take your own combinations in this. I'm using here this red and yellow combination. So just complete the whole process. So after adding a tight coils, it is looking like this, and I have added one small to consider this a main center point. For that I have added this small one. Now allow to dry. So I have added this plastic bag for that it would be easily removable. It's dried, simply I am going to remove this, and it's removed very quickly. Semi dried, and now I'm just going to add this ring. I'm going to add glue on the bigger ring, spreading it using my fingers, and then going to fit this like this. So you have just accordingly the size of the tight coils, just you have to remember the size of tight coils and the inner side ring size. You have also to remember that it fits or not. Tip you also to remember that if you create big tight coils and you have not created this first, so you have just going to create this. I'm going to adhere the petals stones to this so that it will give a better shine to this, like this. So just complete this. Now I'm going to take the kundan which I have created earlier, and I have considered this a center point, so I am going to adhere this. So for that reason I have created this small tight coil here in the center that we can easily add our wire through this. Easily insert through wire like this. Now just taking scissor and just tucking it like this. You can also use plier. So it's done. Create from this side, you have to create a little loose so that it will be oscillatory like this. Taking one thread, inserting this thread through this pearl like this, and just tucking this from the last side. Created this like this so that it would be easier tie through this. Just like we tuck in from this side the pearl, I have also to tuck this. Now adding this thread passing through the center point which I have considered, and it's looking like this. Secure this by tying a knot from any side. Now I am going to adding this keychain ring through this. So the reference point I am going to attach there. It's too tight. Now it's done. So the beautiful keychain holder is ready. You can tie this with you can tie keys, bike keys, any kind of keys with this. It's looking too pretty, and it's oscillatory also. Or if you can also use jhumka for this, you can use this as earring only. You have just to do just replace this, and then this kundan part you have to just adhere it on the top side, and you can also use this as substitute for earring. And one thing I clear to you that it's not necessary to use quilling strips also. If you don't have direct color quilling strips, you can first, if you have white color paper, you can simply create all the features with that and then color it of your choice. It's also a substitute for this. It's not necessary need to use quilling strips only. You can use that way only. Okay. So my project is done. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe this channel for more such craft creating wonderful videos, and do subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.